What is up, everybody? Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. It's real cold and windy today, so sorry if the wind is blowing you out here, but go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and ask any questions about these kits in the comment section below. All of these trucks that we've got on the channel today will be for sale down at the Alpine South used lot. So these are some 2019 Ram 1500 Classics, so last year's body style on a 2019 VIN. But yeah, we've been sending these up on the rough country leveling kits, 2 inches, and giving them a little bit of extra stance. Make sure you get down there in a hurry, as all the ones that we did the last time sold out within a couple of days. Alright, so here's the white one we did. We sent it up, as I said, on the 2-inch rough country leveling kit. Get that nice solid stance. These wheels are the Mayhem Warriors. They are a 17x9. I will bring you the one that is most upright. Like I said, they're 17x9 with a 0 offset, so get a little bit of poke outside of the fenders right there. And yeah, it gives a nice stance, a pretty meaty tire. That 17 on a 33 is just about perfect for the Colorado lifestyle and the taste that you guys have. You definitely want something that looks off-road worthy. You don't want to be running rubber bands for the most part. All right, guys, truck number 2. We've got it right here. Nice black on black, totally murdered out. We'll go over here. These are the Mayhem Cogents. We went full black, no machining, no milling. Just go black on black with the truck, but we also did these in the Kenda Klever RT. So these are the 17x9s. They're a -12 offset. And then the Kenda Klevers again are a 33 1250. A little more poke than that last truck. But again, getting that off-road look. Pretty meaty tire on that 17-inch wheel. Let's see the next one. All right, guys, and the third and final truck is this here gray one. Again, up on the 2-inch rough country leveling kit. 17x9 again. These are the Mayhem Beasts. And those are a -12 offset, again, with a little bit of poke outside of the fender well. Kenda Klever RTs, 33 1250s. So you've got 3 trucks to choose from if you're looking for that rugged look straight off the dealership lot. They're all the 2019 classics. Go head on down to Alpine GMC South. These will be on the used lot. And grab you one of these before they're gone. The last couple of builds that we've done for them sold in a matter of hours. So yeah, go grab them. All right, guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and go grab one of these trucks if you know what's good for you.